Hi guys, we just finished Border 2. Absolutely fantastic. From the start scene to the end, the climax, everything of the movie was brilliant. Varun Dhawan surprised me. Varun Dhawan was brilliant as Oshar. Yeah, the second half turns a little bit emotional when Angat gets Sharid in war, Sunny Deol's son, and all that. And then the Gar Ka Paoge song track comes in the second half. Absolutely fantastic. So much action, dhamaka, so much action, firing bullets. Sunny Deol was brilliant from start, and the dialogue delivery. आवाज़ कहाँ तक जाओगे, कहाँ तक, Lahore tak. Some good dialogues in the film. Varun Dhawan has to be grand salute to Varun Dhawan. He is fighted till the end, to the climax, and he is the one who survived, and Sunny Deol as well. Yeah, and the Shakti wala Mawala scene by Ahan Shetty. What happened that it got exploded and he couldn't make it. Ahan Shetty in the ship because everything got destroyed. The ship got destroyed. Tornado was thrown, and the Shakti bring back the Sunny Shetty aura. And from start to finish, the film is brilliant. It's fantastic. What happened in 1971 Pakistani war, India-Pakistan war in the 1971 December 3rd. This is the film is two events, brings the real patriotism, too emotional, too nostalgia, absolutely fantastic. Varun Dhawan has won my heart. Varun Dhawan जो लड़ा ना दुश्मनों से मारी बारी की Varun Dhawan है, जीत गया Varun Dhawan. Varun Dhawan has been the surprise package in the film. Absolutely fantastic. Varun Dhawan, best performance. He's not out. He's here for Bollywood, and this is one of his best performances till date. Varun Dhawan has come back with a bang. Heroes got slap किया उसने Varun Dhawan है. Varun Dhawan has bounced back with this film, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Sunny Paji was good as well. All the raw war, explosion scenes, Goli Barood wale scenes, the Namake wale scenes, the tank scene got exploded, all the action, the sound effects, everything brilliant. Yeah, Diljit Dosanjh as well was brilliant as well. He fighted in the war on his jet. He fighted as well. Then he got Sharid as well. He lost his life. He put his life on the line, sacrificed his life. Diljit Dosanjh Sukon. And the film is emotional as well. Has some family tradition as well. How the army officers sacrificed their life and risked their life, put their lives on the line because of the Bharat Maa ki jai, Hindustan ke liye. They're fighting. Absolutely fantastic. Sunny Deol's action is brilliant. When all his army men got lost in the war, they got killed in the war, then Sunny Deol fight back as well. That tank sequence as well, and that dialogue delivery Sunny Paji is fantastic. Varun Dhawan has to be the best performance in the film. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Varun Dhawan has to be the highlight for Border 2. Absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. दिल जीत लिया Varun Dhawan ने. दुश्मनों को कैसा मारा, एक आके मारा, उसको गोली भी खाई है, लेकिन उसने हिम्मत नहीं आई. He never gave up. He just fighted and put his life on risk and protect the country of India, Hindustan. A real soldier job should do. Absolutely fantastic, Varun Dhawan. Sunny Deol is brilliant as well. He's old is gold. Superstar we have in Bollywood. Bollywood का action packed hero जो dialogue delivery करता है, जो action करता है, लाहौर वाला scene dialogue, वो पाकिस्तान वाला scene है, बकरे इतने हलाल हो जाते हैं, वो वाला dialogue absolutely Absolutely, Sunny Deol is brilliant as Fateh Singh. Absolutely, he lived the character well. And Varun Dhawan as a Hoshar Singh, salute. I salute Varun Dhawan's character. Absolutely fantastic. Varun Dhawan has to be the best highlights. Ghar Ko Baoge song, bring back all memories from the first film. Nostalgia that the way they shot the song, it was brilliant. Roop Kumar Rathore, you have Sonam Nigam, Diljit Dosanjh, Arijit Singh, and Vishal Mishra sing in the song. Ghar Ka Baoge comes in the second half when they receive all the letters, and absolutely fantastic. Has to be the best song, absolutely best song. And that Mitti Ke Bete wala song, that was emotional, man. That was emotional. Mitti Ke Bete wala song, jo lord ke वापस नहीं आते हैं. Yeah, that was heartbreaking when everyone lost their lives. Then they showed the cameos at the end. Sunil Shetty to Punit Isar, all the original cast to the present cast. Diljit Dosanjh, Ahan Shetty. When he says Jai Shakti Mata, when he gets up, he gives his best. But शहीद हो जाते हैं. दिलजीत दोसांझ as well. गोली लग जाती है, वो शहीद हो जाता है. Varun Dhawan has to be brilliant. Varun Dhawan brilliant. This is his comeback. Varun Dhawan का comeback है इस फिल्म में. Where he dialogue delivery, where he lived the character, superb. Absolutely superb. Varun Dhawan. He is the main highlight. He is surprised. He was the surprise package in the film Border 2. That he fighted, sacrificed, and never gave up. Still got shot, they still carried on and fighted. And where does Sunny Deol come in frame? And Varun Dhawan firing bullets to the villains. That scene was good. The climax scene was good. The film was good, I would say. उसके गाने, उसके action, where the sequences, the fight scenes, the jets, सभी बढ़िया था. What can I say? Absolutely fantastic. Yeah, this is how the fighter fights for the country and never gives up. Varun Dhawan was a true fighter. Absolutely fantastic. Varun Dhawan brilliant. He is brilliant. All from start to end, climax. He is brilliant. And this is dedication to our Indian soldiers who sacrificed their life in this war in 1971 December 3 में. This true events happen. It gives the nostalgia, everything it gives. The emotional, the attachment, the love, the message of the movie is positive. But Varun Dhawan surprised me. So Varun Dhawan is brilliant in the film. Varun Dhawan has to be the best. He lived this character so well and he was amazing. Varun Dhawan was the standout for me. Absolutely 5 out of 5 Varun Dhawan will get. Sunny Deol was good as well. Sunny Deol never gives up. Like I said, Sunny Deol is a true action superstar in our Bollywood industry. But he never gives up. He fights as well. जो टैंक में बम ग्रेनेड से टूटा है, धमाके होते हैं, इतना गोली बारूद चलते हैं, एक्सप्लोजन होते हैं, जो टैंक में वो ग्रेनेड से फेंकता है सनी पाजी, धमाका होता है. Then how he becomes his fight, he's our fighter, action superstar fighter of India. That's why Sunny Deol was best as Fateh Singh. All the characters were good, even the females as well. Mona Singh, Sonam Bajwa, you had Meda as well, Rana, she was good as well. Varun Dhawan, Diljit Dosanjh as well. But they all fighted, they sacrifice and for the country of India. Absolutely fantastic. Music, everything, nostalgia, just bring back the old memories from the 90s. Fateh Singh coming back after 30 years, brilliant. Second half थोड़ा सा emotional हो जाता है when his son gets lost in war, lost his life, and the story थोड़ी सी emotional हो जाती है, लेकिन absolutely has everything, has all the ingredients has all the ingredients, this film. And when the fight scene happened, the war scene happened, when this reminded me the old original film. Akshay Khanna and all that, Sunil Shetty, just reminded me the old border scenes, the fight scenes, the army troops where they sacrifice their lives and all that. But Varun Dhawan has to be the standout of this film. He just took the film into his shoulders, on his shoulders, and from start to end he was outstanding. Varun Dhawan gets a salute from me. All the characters were brilliant. Ahan Shetty, Diljit Dosanjh, Sunny Paji and others performed very well, but Varun Dhawan has to be my favorite. He stands out. Varun Dhawan ने दिल जीत लिया मेरा. Absolutely fantastic. This is for Varun Dhawan fans out there जो बोल रहे थे वरुण धवन ऐसा है, ही इज़ हियर टू स्टे. उसने सबको करारा जवाब दिया. वरुण धवन ने सबकी बोलती बंद कर दी इस परफॉर्मेंस से. अब कोई नहीं बोलेगा उसके बारे में. वरुण धवन इज बेस्ट इन द फिल्म, बेस्ट. ही इज proved everyone wrong with his performance. Absolutely fantastic, brilliant. So I give film 4 out of 5. Absolutely fantastic. अब सिनेमा में देख ले, जब टीवी पर आएगी टीवी पर देखेंगे हम. Absolutely fantastic. What can I say? And this is our true nation for country of India. Fighters, they are all fighters. Our Indian Army, Navy, Army, Air Force, brilliant. They're brilliant. I like the friendship chemistry between Varun Dhawan, Diljit Dosanjh, Ahan Shetty. The three of them look very good as friends. And he said, brother, जीत अगर रेस हार जाओगे तो सलूट मारना पड़ेगा. ऐसा बोलता है दिलजीत दोसांझ. जब दौड़ हार जाओगे फिर आपको सलूट करना पड़ेगा. ब्रदर, एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक. व्हाट कैन आई से? Real true patriotism, war kind of film it was. Dedicated to our Indian soldiers who sacrificed their lives and leave their families behind and put their lives in risk. Absolutely, they deserve a grand salute from me. All the Indian Navy, Army, Force people deserve a grand salute. Brilliant. This is what I call a film. This is what I call a true hero fight till the last. This is what I call a film. Big film of 2026. सबसे बढ़िया फिल्म वह बॉर्डर 2 है. वैसे इस साल की बढ़िया फिल्म मैंने देख ली फाइनली सिनेमा में. Absolutely loved it. Loved it. Brilliant. गाने इसके भी बढ़िया थे. सब इसके स्टोरी लाइन, it just build up the story and the characters. बांधे रखा मुझे. या सिनेमा में कोई नहीं था, मैं ही था अकेला. लेकिन मैंने पूरी तरह से मैंने फिल्म को एंजॉय किया है, लव किया है, सपोर्ट किया है. एंड द सॉन्ग्स, द फाइट सीन्स, द धमाका सीन्स, डायलॉग डिलीवरी बाय पावरफुल सनी पाजीज. द लाहौर तक आवाज़ कहाँ तक जाएगी, लाहौर तक जाएगी. And all that. Absolutely fantastic. What can I say? It's positive. The film is a super hit at the box office and still running well in theaters. So finally seen Border 2, guys. Absolutely fantastic. And the end they showed all the cameos as well, which was good to see when they go on the Gurdwara Sahib as well, because Sunny Paji didn't go Gurdwara because he was angry with God, but at the end he realized that he go and worship God in the Gurdwara. And Mona Singh was brilliant as well in the film. She was brilliant. Pairing was brilliant. Everything about the film was positive for me. So I give Border 2 4 out of 5. Ghar Ko Paoge, brilliant. That climax wala sad song, मिट्टी के बेटे वाला, absolutely emotional. मिट्टी के बेटे वाला song by beautifully by सोनू निगम जी. Fantastic. जो लौट के वापस नहीं आते. This is reality. This is life. And absolutely loved Border 2. Varun Dhawan has to be my favorite from this film. Has to be best performance ever. Whatever film I've seen in the past. ये फिल्म बढ़िया है उसकी, वरुण धवन की. Loved his performance. Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. So 4 out of 5 for Border 2. Brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. It's a super hit at the box office. So there you go. This is my review for Border 2. I will see you in the next one. It just bring back the old nostalgia, all the memories from the first one. Absolutely another fantastic war film dedicated to our Indian soldiers. I salute to every person. Navy, Army, Air Force, I salute. Absolutely fantastic. So 4 out of 5 for Border 2. Brilliant. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.